A fiber optic cable is a network cable designed to transmit voice, video, or data information over a glass fiber strand. Now, fiber cable is used to transmit signals over longer distances and at a much faster rate than your traditional copper network cabling. We carry multimode fiber optic cables in a variety of connector types: LC, SC, ST, and MTRJ. Now, these multimode fiber cables have a diameter of 62.5 over 1/25 microns and can transmit data up to 2,000 meters. They can easily be identified by their orange jackets. Multimode fiber cables also are virtually immune to electrical interference. This makes multimode cables the ideal fiber cable for use in LED transmitters and as backbone applications in buildings. This is an SC to ST Multimode Duplex fiber cable. It features two SC connectors on one end and two ST connectors on the other end. An SC connector has a molded plug casing that has a push and pull locking system, while an ST connector uses a push and turn locking system. It is available in lengths from 1 to 15 meters. Our Multimode SC to ST fiber cables are OM1 rated and have a riser rated PVC jacket. For all of your fiber cable needs, choose Show Me Cables.